We are going to talk about acid bases and alkalines. Past paper questions. A list of first question is a list of substance is shown. So substance are brass, carbon oxide, carbon monoxide, diamond, glucose, hydrogen, litmus, magnesium bromide, methyl orange, sodium chloride, stainless steel, thermoplaline, water, and zinc. Okay. Answer the following question about the substance. Each substance or may be used once, more than once, or not at all. State which substance turns yellow when alkali is added. We know we have studied that is methyl orange. Okay. So that is methyl orange that will change color when it is added to alkali. Okay, turn yellow when it is added to alkali. Question number two is magnesium is a element in group 2 of periodic table. Complete the word equation of the reaction of the magnesium oxide with the hydrochloric acid. We know that whenever metal oxide react with hydrochloric acid, it gives us salt plus water. So salt is magnesium chloride. Salt is MgCl2. Okay, and with this we have water. Okay, magnesium oxide is insoluble in water. Choose from the list one other compound that is insoluble in water. That is, I think, magnesium carbonate. Okay, why? Because carbonates, most of the carbonates are insoluble in water. Okay, now question number three. The question is about sulfur and compounds of sulfur. Complete the word equation for the reaction between dilute sulfuric acid and sodium carbonate. We know first thing that we will get is salt. So salt would be Na2, Na2SO4, that is called sodium sulfate, and we know we have carbon dioxide plus I think H2O. Yes, that is H2. Okay, few drops of indicator are added to dilute sulfuric acid. State the color of the solution. It is colorless. Okay, you have to remember those things. Colorless. You can also see our lectures that will help you a lot. Okay, now question number four. Display formula of mesoconic acid. Okay, complete the equation, word equation for the this reaction. So any acid reacts with magnesium metal will give us one salt and hydrogen. Okay, so salt will be magnesium, magnesium, magnesium ethanoate, ethanoate plus hydrogen, H2. Okay, so that's simple. Okay, question number five. The question is about nitrogen and compounds of nitrogen. Okay, ammonia is a simple molecule with a covalent bond. Aqueous ammonia is alkaline. Choose the list or from the list the pH value of that alkaline. Draw a circle around your chosen answer. That is pH 10 because pH 7 and less than pH 7. Less than pH 7 is acid and more than pH 7 is alkali. pH 7 is neutral, so that would be pH 10. Okay. Ammonia forms an alkaline solution in water. Give a formula of ion that present in an alkaline solution. So that is quite simple. OH minus. Okay, OH minus ions are in alkaline solution and H plus ions are in uh, acid solution. Choose from the pH value of the alkaline solution. Alkaline solution again pH should be greater than 7, so that is 13. Okay. The question about the compound of nitrogen, ammonium chloride reacts with calcium hydroxide, produce ammonia, salt, and liquid turns aqueous, anhydrous copper sulfate blue. So what would be the product? So first is ammonia, we know that. Second is calcium chloride. Okay, CaCl2, and last one is hydro water because it turns the anhydrous copper sulfate blue, so we need water. Okay, question number 8. Iron ore contain Fe2O3. A blast furnace is used to extract iron from Fe2O3. The equation of the last service is shown. Why equation 3 shows that it is a acid base reaction? Because CaO, calcium hydroxide, is a base where this is a base and this is an alkali. Base and acid, sorry, base and acid. So whenever base reacts with acid, it will give us acid base reaction. Okay, that's all about it. Most of you guys don't subscribe to our channel. We work really hard to make those videos, so please subscribe. And if you want to take online classes, we can provide it. So see you in the next lecture.